Hello Quora users, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the simple process of changing your profile picture on Quora. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account using your username and password. Once logged in, you will be ready to update your profile picture. Navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Here, you'll find options to edit your profile information, including your profile picture. Click on the Edit button next to your current profile picture. This will allow you to upload a new picture from your device. Click on the Upload button and select the image file you'd like to use as your new profile picture from your computer or device. Choose a clear and professional-looking image for best results. After uploading your picture, you may have the option to crop or adjust the image. Follow any on-screen instructions to make adjustments if needed. Once you're satisfied with your new profile picture, click Save Changes to update your profile. Your new picture will now be displayed on your Quora profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Quora. Your updated picture will now be visible to other users on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.